kwa family fantastic TV so then the transfer fantastic TV so ya good mun sel na be da fantastic TV ahwefo ene ya tena so nim say yipe na aba na wi ene be top 4 no na mambo Europa League na me ka say dey amafo test message say Chelsea bobo ko ne ka na ken anka hwa next season Champions League community ni embo bia aye Tottenham Hotspur ene atini abo mo amane me ka say Chelsea top 4 no me to so for ne let's see say Chelsea bobo ko Tottenham Hotspur mom specific ana abo mo next season no Champions League community abobi ana say Chelsea bobo ko specific no na nka o betimi qualify to Champions League next season na emre ene enkrabia ne be chonim say Manchester City bobo ko ne Chelsea bobo ko no so no Istanbul na ko kwa bo ne mleka say no mleka ko pie mu e say Manchester City bobo ko no ene so no o msa hye bobo ko friend Everton ka pol enum ama Everton antim adabla ka me say Abrante friend Sergio Kunagüero no the last game a was na kan e wo EPL Edema Manchester City bobo ko no say Abrante na be obo no modi ye pa out of 8 years na Abrante ndi ye no minim say Abrante no ye comfort ba Manchester City bobo ko nda before so be sign contract o kan say answer no be free Manchester City bobo ko no opese waji Champions League minim Champions League no so emre no so do a oni Chelsea bobo ko ne ko finals minim say e Estadio da Zago e Porto no Abrante from Sergio Kunagüero no or the Manchester City bobo ko no e kwa Chelsea for the first time the last time at Manchester City Echo na European League and European Cup and friend after say about Champions League no Manchester City echo final 1979 na Manchester City echo finals and European Cup omunko bio and Pep Guardiola Arsenal for the first time in sports history no but o made finals let's see so okwa na Thomas Tuchel okoya o de PSG ekoya ye ball so no after say pam no okopie mo Chelsea no mini say ono no de na say o do finals ni ye Jeffrey ni say me ya pam no and international so on the GTC many more no ebe na fantastic TV ahwefo Spain no so na na enye afede gwakwa na ho ye butu ye pa Real Madrid na omo Italian na wa Salas na Atletico de Madrid no so ebo modi bia no e win 2-1 na mleka say the last time we win 2013-2014 season ana 80 Madrid e win ya 8 years ni na mleka say no omo te ku ema Abrante friend Thomas Akosite Partey ebu na ketima na de one say on say Spain de yema medals say ke medals Abrante friend Thomas Akosite Partey no and ke medals 80 man do ko ne de ma Abrante no ka say de Partey uko social media baby Abrante ni trending because trending fi say after so free 80 Madrid pepe no ko fa Luis Alberto Suarez no with the 80 Madrid 8 years no with the ma baje La Liga ahead of FC Barcelona that of Bobo ko friend Real Madrid obi e kan nse Barcelona fantian ono ka Barcelona sem kitu ebi pra na ha no meni mebusa no say after say papa I friend Akwasi Ronald Koeman buy no dia potin effort be no dey beka FC Barcelona Bobo ko no so o je papa de wi a wonye hwe that doesn't mean say Madrid echo trophyless ntino what the tutu no say this season Madrid ended the akọ trophyless omunko finals all because of say omunko finals eje papa de wi eyo mo de na ka people prefer say ko beje league is specific because FC Barcelona is Champions League actually meaning say ya transfer fantastic TV no we betimi the GT7 anymore e dey ma fantastic TV ahwefo anu coach na kasa FC Barcelona bobo na kasa and sem ketin wom meaning so betimi the GT7 anymore no e dey to fantastic TV ahwefo meaning say Abrante friend Ferguson dey meaning say atare na e betimi say we Chelsea fan meaning say Estadio da Zagallo no on betimi ati bobo ko aye from Man City ache ebia ba ku menu ba sabi Abraham Manchester City bobo ko ni enti dia Thomas Tuchel ene Chelsea omotina ma Aston Villa check up ko minu mutinti ba ko na Abraham to ka oh wasi coach we dey enu ko ase ko fa no nso papa na ba no but starting say o win there na me say Chelsea fan dey kasa but nowadays after say Leicester City e FA Cup problem say mun say Chelsea supporters na obo babu e say emle ne krabia e na rechi mama ko fa fantastic TV so see be fun. Yeah, fun. That's our friend who will name me and my chin and pay.
Be a fun.
So, now to say Chelsea, be a fun, be fine. Oh, Champions League more fun as you.
They're fine because every Champions League at least so far so season quite but I Chelsea as a be a possible my you fashion Champions League to see how it man you fashion Champions League in Ghana. at least no next we need the bit man you dey say TV a no call travelers as no wa nye bi
team best
ba ye when that so be say you bit man
some Champions League you people are also going travelers some antia
say antia which
why fantastic TV no betim do comment about our fantastic TV so and antia o pese na antia no be papa bia ma no o betim do comment e dey afa 055 83 10 651 055 83 10 651 betim do comment afa say na antia na tenase no on be papa e dey amamo so that also betim ai dey ato mo ase start
ma me ka se o ka se ye timigia
me say mutimigia ene e bia mo anko travelers
here's the case that TV on ma or no say sia
o dey ebe ba wie
or no ko bia koda
ye fa free on
ma so bia bio ma ye case ni ye utimi say ye no akwawie but still na esa one match stand
after the Leicester City here mo Dane amati here we can do this year we here we na echi mo antrefo
no so be say bi onim nyansa dada amati onim nyansa where Chelsea current form equity ya
so what can onim nyansa I proofing words it's a fantastic
so yo onim nyansa in the sense say Ghana ha mo kwachokwa ye kobubo saa
we see all the withdraw sentence sa insult the withdraw wo the withdraw man before
me tell you so no matter me be see a na we say
no you understand middle law ethics okay you learn middle law ethics right me saw the withdraw sentence on how I was insulting wo the withdraw before say be to aso
mama me ncho dey tell me cancer say
date na cancer
o kwachoko na kobubo saa woncheni na 50 Ghana ye to so a obi di wi a o money me bi eno ye ni brebo ba we no ye say den FIFA bi ni ya FA Cup na ya organize ene ye say ye bebo na wo ti ma di nyame a wo ti ma di no je say Chelsea ye team ya wo so wo kokko to ye yi e to twini ba bi ni ha say yo Ghana ha make many sense for no one say Ghana ha be ti na ma for ka say yeah fix it.
Abisha mo start to discussion. As a Chelsea for an kasa specific no omo ya yo to the sense say bibia no mo ti ase ba nya bibia no mo ti ase pina na otokuni ya specific no eya wo ya
actually because ono onye player bia in the
na so omo fi dey be mo no pina we exchange
ya anto mo de na so anye ba
mo anto ankwene sa na mo pera mo anto ankwene wo kira mo se mo de mo no wo form mo coach ne ba as mo high to the sense say
do na matter wo no oba akaso na meeting akaso ko kana bench ko
don't compare it to
akaso na bench and some akaso ko na eba say na wo
Dani Amati okwache so betima to players bibi Dani Amati
Zuma na say wanya
Antonio Rudiger gamu nyina guam tro betima tuo mo
Titanic na wo bi tro na wo pampi masa wo to
yeah sure say na zizi
chama de na ba
so let's see let radio on say all the 6 European leagues in there, they na ebe na wiye. Meaning so best started from France and Italy they only say if I Jerry. Inter Milan actually very 26 and Inter Milan dikaji and so still mo dey na omo try so mo wini. Omo dey mo lose match o, omo draw 2 pe. Meaning Juventus meaning say omo last match omo betimi awam to the start of next season Champions League. What do you say Juventus with him well? Because we criteria na down na a difference of 2 points oh.
So many because really na say no this season Juve on more for true. On more from papa.
Yes, it's not cause of money more from tactics of coaching na how mo na say players na e bi mu proud.
Players na ngasa tactics of coach. Players na ngasa some more for more for because last season OG so what I say I didn't buy each team there na ba
Masna
I am each team
Arabi one the same place no use right but to do omo je
yes
nti adena Peru e buy no ye hu that kind of criteria no
and I make us say players modern baba form because last season OG each team bibia sesan yo one and so even busa one team anje because the last season we didn't have few many second that be well free hosha fifth modern ball from
obara ni wakase Juve modern ball from amene na nyaade because we in the first place no Antonio Conte e ba beji Inter Milan team o be entoto ye pa ne tactics papa we dia be bra Inter Milan team na on masa of late team bien hot mo bet
Assassin the nan mo dem ball Assassin nan mo dem ball
and last match against Udinese omo share back 5
that shows you say Inter Milan omo current form no kita this year enye team obetimi di 0 no kwapara fo na akoko ye akoko di omo ni the fact is say Inter Milan amo ho adi se okuta no
baby
what I say do be 8 minutes no na say was say Inter Milan no yele oji and one is Juventus no akwese say omo rely on akokra 0 only panago the panago say na your nanti on Juventus what I say and it's now o go find nanti no
before some omo make us o shall save you baby coach ni ba for no money ball for
yes
so what I say it is a pelo about money ball for ntum mi on money boni
say me ka say only Bologna creba first half Juve 3 Bologna 0
omi on money boni yeah you say Juve baby o mujina na yo wo ne nkwa kwanta I say Black Star ko work up bi ngoshi obi ni qualify
na people
for the calculator at home it's helping na here
like during the era you do week 37 now people thought say Juventus a lot of people teams will play Europa League next season because me and creative no like Juventus and team next season Champions League Dortmund na Liverpool oh most money mbaba for by Liverpool dey there ade wa kope na Liverpool money mbaba for a certificate day na Van Dijk prime no Liverpool money mbaba assist
and me who say as a coach we a coach na say obodo team around one player and also more because Van Dijk yeah moreover no ko defender interval say na as a coach no ko build like team over a defender what I say o Sadio Mane esawo Mo Salah e wo team and the team na won build team no around some club of people are who say
Mo Salah oni team no build here no dey the Champions League Mo Salah mo yo maduma what I say Arnold mo yo maduma me Firmino ne Mo Salah ne Sadio Mane no mo yo maduma right the same things are this season no mere mo yo maduma to me o mo ko di Champions the same things are na actually ho no aduma na wo last season no like o mo ko di Champions League no ibnu hobi it mo Salah mo yo maduma say dey kura chiro onyu no
and which am me so make say na ka as a good coach no and the na o
coach
as a good coach no and also to try convert players what I say so who a good coach you need always be a normal player ba ko pe ese o plans e ba so na o style of coaching no
and you have a coach
because
European coaches
me can say those days Machado e ko e Barca say Pep Guardiola time say dey but you convert no boss 6
number 6
o ko Argentina no boss 6 but you convert no man be here dey 2 defender what I say and na just say coach no we a good coach because when he say ebia o timi rely on one player so say player but you want ma meet me nyame but always be o plans na be say
but Van Dijk at home ni plan here at home so what I say
the plan dey what me can say
the plan at home and modern boys say players na can so here no dey omo here except Van Dijk in position for and I'm at Liverpool for do what we do this year
and because as a Liverpool team no we Liverpool team no so many defenders
and the only Liverpool star do Liverpool no
Keita no money ade omo nyine ni won ata ade na won convert midfielders ya omo do so ade na won convert bitu
I say you will coach them practice or discipline pro coach or high pressing or pressing
perfect men can say they are like the tactics we dey here but mistake or here say or rely on one player and such a player also no
European coaches
when you coach now rely on one player and how maybe answer or coach is also what you know but also our
European coaches no on build on team over one player except only one coach Pep Guardiola a team and o coach team say player on the first 11 so I could play for my only problem Mobile the same things I said on the first.
So also kind of say Pep Guardiola also the only coach people are saying so also building the team around one player.
Building the team around one player.
Because one
building Barca around one player. That be time Iniesta, Xavi, Busquets, Digital Monaso is that Messi is different from time and Messi. So what did they make? Xavi, Iniesta, and Busquets. Time Digital Monaso. Sam Messi who is that time. And say name Messi. And to say Frankie John Monet, Pedro Messi. And Iniesta, I'm telling Messi to say Pedro Frankie John Messi. So what did they make?
And so about just a Pep or building
one team around Messi.
Around one person.
Yes, one team around one person. And Untina Barcelona come Messi in one because Ronald Koeman everybody Barcelona around Messi. And Ronald Koeman you coach there was some papa. Was some papa.
You know, me see a point. You know,
England. So I'm kind of Liverpool say if he has to play has to take case what you know also as he has flick is your coach your building team over one player. This is your building team over Lewandowski. The time Lewandowski play and Lewandowski Genema Paris for to show me feature person. Say Lewandowski Bobia and Gabriel for to show.
So all kind of sudden yeah you the percentage maybe 40 because after saying you from about 3 matches no more winning.
Now you are
not just Lewandowski did not.
But Lewandowski buy.
After saying
Lewandowski buy. Omo needs to do.
Yes.
Why is striker?
Answer.
Why striker? The man just say Omo yana minti no no lose matches.
So goes in back.
Chipu motin. So you say chipu motin.
Honestly,
striker. But I don't know what to do.
I didn't know more winning.
Against Manchester United for great chances. Minutes only can never. Go on.
And to say the move. Opportunity over Lewandowski.
Answer striker.
Choupo-Moting I don't go. And Lewandowski a plan. Choupo-Moting better about because of say Bayern team you could tell Lewandowski you know. Choupo-Moting better clear chance on to me share. The money Lewandowski the same thing as Saab player where Liverpool for Cotton as a defender by Van Dijk and Liverpool never like per se almost second defender 2 na almost second defender in Nepal. Kaba go find by Van Dijk ball. I ball Liverpool as a player.
Was that Kaba Usa?
One team what kind of football? So what I say?
Who would be Kasusa?
What and it's also on team more.
My people said I thought Man City. The Cocofa Jones. John
Stones.
Minkaso so maybe there's on team
confidence now.
Only for yes, only confidence. One man chance confidence.
I don't say what is it team you are saying.
One man chance
Send your hospital to the torso.
You got a confidence.
And the Canada will go.
A good coach of Becca or best cycle of
you got a confidence. One aspect of confidence more chance. So now one chance that's what you may deliver. That's a bet you are confidence in what to say she but you a chance.
Coach and can have some to
okay. I got to go and ask for one at that time. Now it's the one out your chances, you know. Oh, the one in your chance is not yes, two more good game, you know. Then the one also why or feminine was oppression out ever for. That's how I never prepare and when I come make us why number sooner. Just a man the chance. It's pressure or releasing pressure because I'm Susa. But it's not anymore. So what I say?
And that's all we
want on your more chance.
And that's all good coach in the factory. Okay, can't team.
Chance England. She say no England.
They say England, Manchester City at the
first.
Manchester United at the second.
Yeah.
And I feel me say. Now me feel say Leicester City will move you.
Yeah.
And I Chelsea aba.
Leicester City cover Europa.
Cover Europa.
Yeah.
They say Chelsea Liverpool.
What? Liverpool.
Man City, Man U, Chelsea, Liverpool.
Yeah.
next season we are going to see them Champions League.
Oh, but we want to say, okay.
And Europa League, we are going to see.
But as a
Tottenham
is next season. England only 5 teams in the ball because only 2 teams and our Champions League. 4 in the Oma qualified that.
Oh, they know. Yes, they like me Europa League. EPL specific in America.
Okay.
Yeah, right now. I know right now discussion. Yeah.
Okay.
They Champions League in few.
Okay.
Right. They say I'm on Echo. Obi Ebisa say Arsenal. They are in Arsenal because the last time Arsenal called Champions League final in 2006. After Sebastian show 2-1 and the kind of football say Arsenal bobo.
Omuna that we say this year philosophy. And I say the mentality now you put improve for the show this year. And yes, also go UEFA Champions League. Because we have players young to talk as a team I open UEFA now David Luiz, Chelsea reject no. Okofano now sa Kofa William, Chelsea rejector. E ba ne se pa na
Chelsea rejector. Oka se Chelsea rejector me nyabi.
Player wo ni ya pa mo se.
And before say me you question, we be one question. Hazard or Chelsea reject.
Hazard in Chelsea reject.
Now who are you?
Yeah, yes ka.
Wo ko en wa ye dey.
And no so no here be say e was see again mu no so quite there. No so go to me kwaje e ya one person.
So mumu ja Hazard na ko Real Madrid because of
moto Hazard aton David aton William. William bier no ntia perform to bier no reject. O bier no nya. Kevin De Bruyne by Chelsea, we see Chelsea reject. No Chelsea reject.
No Chelsea reject.
Onye Chelsea, o ka Chelsea reject. No nyaade.
David Luiz na reject.
Onye Chelsea reject.
Onye
and you had no reject in January. That's the question. Even also watch your operative you grow any no go spec.
What you always have. What you always have to see Madrid. Coach
Zidane
Onyadi.
In terms of
tactical pass.
Listen. In terms of psychologically, in terms of history, in Champions
League.
Maybe see Zidane because
this is in terms of Champions League.
Now even how many matches you winning? How many matches now?
Zidane Nadia because of Hazard team go for me Zidane Nadia na say Hazard mom na me money Zidane Nadia. When you coach,
you are waiting
because only good tactics. A bad tactics like that say if they a match. O first tactics out the buy.
Okay.
A flop it.
No. Okay, coach Spain. Coach Ghana tactics who himself for this season.
Oh, Spain I mean who is article Simeone.
Diego Pablo Simeone.
Yes.
The tactics are fire. That's in all the 18 coaches.
West Edina. This is it. One more goals. Big. Article big. But a bad winning matches there, massa. Forget it. And the first way
how many Madrid back to back?
How many Madrid, you know, every dimension and Kai, I say here. But to share a Simeone, a bad tactically say, like you really match, you draw, you say, we're a good coach, it's like when matches are also really,
we're a good coach, or better Champions League send Wajama 80 Madrid.
Oh, I'll buy when Yanji video.
Anna, they also the tactics. And your papa, what did Champions League say?
On so far, I train about it.
Fantastic.
But I don't just say, where you good. I don't just say good.
But if so, I bet to pay as you on my flop here. What's me? I'm poor.
Massa, he's so good. On Pojibasa, I say article in coach.
Nothing going to me coach Basan article.
What do you mean coach a article? And I said Basa because the kind of players now here on Benian, young Thomas. Enna, show. Yeah, coach to say Antonio Gotti. Or when time that there are many Thomas.
Who's the player?
Christian
Eriksen. You talk Christian Eriksen.
Yeah, my band party Thomas.
Eriksen.
Or how many goals was your man?
Oh, and I go brave.
And
what goals?
In total, how many goals was your man?
A percentage of it was about 20.
Christian Eriksen out to boy.
Yes.
This is the good coach or no or material degree and I like the coach among so a good coach. And I just saw a coach. Tactically we good.
It is your coach.
One against Chelsea.
Also, team
as a good coach.
Push Madrid against Real Madrid. At Anfield.
Anfield.
Yes.
Madrid against
Liverpool. Anfield.
Oh yeah.
Push how was their performance? How was the tactics?
Saturday, who say for the coup for the
So that people say Liverpool basically Madrid the film that
oh quick cry. Now from the church the Madrid the
no, if you say that you Chelsea it was a lack. That should say Thomas Tuchel was good. Your coach one way or another was good saying Zidane. Because as a coach what about you know something.
As a coach what about
I want to share
I want to show Facebook.
Zuzu Zidane or maybe 3 times.
No,
we can't make analysis without history. History also differ. Okay, we should put history aside. And let's go into tactics and the brain side. Okay.
So, we call coaching courses now.
Yeah.
Tactics and I didn't question one. Tactically, we are Thomas Tuchel. It's me, Chelsea team. Mountain, policy to nominate Remo, Rudigan, Silver,
Chelsea, Mumu Bonkra,
Silver, 34. Silver, as a defender, when this 34 to stay now with him. Good coaching was second up one is a mentality. I would say coach, tactically, mentality, just psychologically, no matter.
Why fantastic TV? You get to subscribe to Fantastic TV. Chelsea for Casso. They say Chelsea for you after some we are papa
and you know coach what to be defender. How about another striker? Sadly, another one that you want to name as a coach, where you striker, because no defender. I would not I didn't join to myself and Kumasa. And I mean, yes. Just what must say, we are Kuman was such as a Antonio Conte, Yantoshia, such as what you delete. The same thing, where Kuman was oh, God, now go to
next season, we expect to set Team Bay and a Champions League, say case in a middle name, power on Quadia. This is the difference. I put a year. But we find a Manchester City.
No,
it's a City. No, I'm not a City fan. Okay, you're going to say Chelsea. Okay, you're going to say Cap will be on it.
City.
Oh, what's it?
City.
You're going to say, let the fan be taught, meaning a Manchester City fan.
Perfect. You can say, you're from someone City. I'm not
a Barcelona fan. Oh, yes. I'm a Chelsea fan. Uncle Pegu, Papa, Petit Papa support Manchester City, and you have 5 goals. And I'm what you do.
This is the model for Massa Power.
Fantastic because subscribe to Fantastic La Liga akasa specific no. After say La Liga buy no, Madrid did 34 times. Barcelona did 26. 80 Madrid did 11 times. Anna,
only baby. Madrid for no. Time no mo jini bebrebe. Sa time na favor na more anymore.
Some kasa
What is say? Okos play one that time no mo you or make us o me capital. Until before say the first favor for the mom before say mama can marry. That time now until me way baby no. About any brain by obi I am to form me and born come no. What check it since 2003. Man no Magic League say. 18 Madison Barcelona just that's it. My man league in the first no sometimes we are Barcelona do Copa del Rey. Trophy but I'm not a Copa del Rey cup.
That time now I can say no more quality players.
No more quality players, but
that time now 80 man in Barcelona quality players.
And I make us say we are Man Trophy. Barcelona do Copa del Rey, but Madrid never has a Copa del Rey and a cup. But you know if you say Copa del Rey, Madrid.
Say the Chelsea sponsors every cup right?
Oh yeah.
Every okay cup Manchester. Any home boy there. Madrid from Copa del Rey, Madrid did that.
Oh, you ever Champions League go ah? Because me Copa every cup.
How many times we almost had Champions League no kind of final? Chelsea, how many times no about the two
times 2012 and maybe
so what I say Chelsea for no I want Madrid
you have to respect Madrid Champions League never pass no Monko Madrid promo na monko bomb 3 days na mo strong body factor on the Champions League
you na say Madrid fight do you na that
mo Chelsea for am come
this season America go baby am before the Champions League Madrid do this season America this is Omasa totally Omasa
see Barca so asa
say one ka control Madrid one more
such a team Vinicius was one money
wow more high for Ballon d'Or more than trophies
it's not trophies
Madrid na trophies one more one fan na Copa del Rey one more league no Champions League one no
Madrid last year who got trophies
how many since 2010 how many times Madrid na trophies how many times Barcelona got trophies check it Madrid for the year to no more zero Madrid na favor for
last season 15-16 Madrid
for the past 10 years the league 8 up to us more than Madrid the league is past 10 years Barca aje 8 but Madrid aje 1 into 1 akamana aje Madrid
fantastic
what for 10 years what
into the three say mo era na aba no second mo era na 80s no
one more era into mo be so chase Madrid for era and o ma go trophies
mo Barca
yeah
Barcelona era na ye wom si
oh yeah into Madrid for the chase so massa say era no we want chase so massa you go era na kept those days no tokens and any audio I'm Joe make up this Copa del not the France and cap but a more visit Copa del Rey do more dinner to or legend dinner that Copa del Rey so first class I was playing only Madrid from Bobio or more dear chassis now more fun than Mama can I said me Mama can Mombala Mommy bought one game pet Fana, Copa del Rey fan. Already but a bar say you know you shall see money pen. And then say first me ball. And that is someone you need. Mama for us. I don't that now. We play as a no more. Not pedigree money Pedigree say. Pedigree Pedigree, pedigree, you can solve the to place Lydia. Who ever supply? Who may shake me, Joe? Say, money for the what you know, own pedigree place room in acquisition, Metro, my dear. Own place room in Spain, La Liga school, Spain, and what? Spain national team that won't put up your money. So, oh my shit! Look at the kind of players that Barcelona producing Spain. According to 2010 World Cup, SRB Euro 2012. Xavi, Iniesta, Piqué, Busquets, De Villa, Pedro Rodriguez. You see, by Madrid for the Giro, when I saw what they champions Spain for the year. Now, no, Oko Madrid, Oko Spain team, only if I say, as you watch it, now, as you watch it, into Barcelona, you only 2 players, and Pedro Busquets. Spain for more. I'm going to group stage. Oh, free. It's Barcelona is Spain. First, yes, Barcelona. Oh, Spain for Munyon Cobia. My own position must be for no. Sebastian Dinan Naswa and a Spain TV. Because the Dinan National in 2007, 8, 9, 10. Spain. What a fantastic team. Fantastic team. Madrid fan the show, Barca fan the show. Oh, fantastic team. So, what can I say? Mombasa, Mujina, so Anna Madrid. Yes, of course. Because Madrid for now, old players, old days of players, Spain and nation. Yeah, now, Today the first one.
Dia na ba team na say team na jija.
Dia ba team na team na jija say one president. Oh, Jai or the team no question for soon. That's it. Because president, you know, or the team no question. Contract to be all say bia or the interest fee so.
And I want you there.
Contract go say bia or the and I mean our Barcelona team akose. One side player bia so play bia no was not develop.
Neymar any team player.
Oh wow, no need Neymar.
Neymar ba.
Yes, fine.
The year 2015, ono era so na mu Champions League. Luis Enrique.
Champions League na year no. Any man Champions League. And I know no one wanted to come on.
Sir,
how can so many players here manako? One reason, but two reason.
No, I'm saying Neymar.
But Tommy, not your year, Guba, and you can say, or sign contract now. It's not our no place, our contract was a player, or what matches did you see a message chest in the account? It Oko Bassa, people swap, suddenly play someone a cow because of matches to do on my boy. So, what if you're more 20 matches, which you are now, which you must see, which you are be a long pass for the car.
And then when he says, if says, I
don't do that. I don't do that. By a bus of Barcelona for the Suchanoka.
And you're
yes, Polino, not on that about the Suchanoka.
Oh, no, it's a contract about you. What's
I going to do? Why are you blend contract in one day or call me out to me, son? Ultimate, and you're putting money and you're bad. And you're bad because ultimate you will be out to me not a bad reason is said to you. On your contract no sign. So Koto to say your Koto continue every Liverpool. On the shame says so continue what matches do say ya. We just can see the Liverpool. Up to now continue Barcelona and team job continue can be. And I don't know Barcelona for the instead of Bekasa Tono or no more over is not the open player that on force and then interesting was only an audio for the money. How much do say? Which is can be a cow. Nothing on number acre. I don't know a Barcelona. And also a bullshit coach starting by. All put getting more good.
2022 World Cup qualifiers. Ghana is beatable South African coach Hugo Bruce. Or than saying Oba. So by after say Cameroon 2021 Ghana you from Mantina I say Ghana or best show massa show. World Cup qualifiers.
The story we grab as when we are qualified.
Yes. Say the story.
Yes, on the Melissa and Funny Ghana. Ghana they all do carry looking. Because you
I saw by Jimmy Place.
So on Maran Gubas and Mojan.
Sir,
because Ghana for your team for your command young Rosa.
No, how
Jimmy Casa pressure. A man pressure no day.
But I heard that last time I can learn the yard because was so done a team now. And I like what who said that a team here, because a team of Kuta team player said your boy and the day you or striker than you. For a horse is how many matches now? Go sign and watch it. Such a player.
Referee. So if he said or Eagle Bruce Castle or be Ghana film or the show back to back.
Simple.
We did so to match the Black Stars of Ghana. Charles Panacono. The tactics coach, the philosophy coach.
South American principle. We can minimum free.
Oh, Portugal share so.
Portugal share. Came very funny war as you hear. Ball to can you know boy. Oh, that's all to the bus. Oh, that's South American. Black Stars are quite
fantastic TV 11. I'm not come to man.
You ever see South American principle?
Simple.
Tahiti.
Fantastic TV. The man does so.
Tahiti.
A man that one you know so.
Yeah, the man show. Tahiti no more border. Spiritual motion. Omo say yes, omo border.
Yes.
South American principle never know to so.
So now I say chance from now.
Yes, over 10.
I want so many coach. How many keeper?
Tahiti no many coach. Germany, Brazil for some no many coach.
coach.
Yes.
But say them more before to Germany to share Brazil what I said.
Yes. Sarah doesn't Charles come now. What is the South Korean?
No, you can't compare African football to that of European football. Do you know that? The tactics of African football is different.
South Korean principal ni engineer. Oh, ese ka ugutim no. Because
before say we feel no say no comment say what like as say mama say as mumu free say we make chance come na come free. Because Mustafa Yusuf I sports minister no akona na do say on person Cameroon 2022
Official
Mustafa Yusuf
official $20 million. Official $20 million. And
$25 million.
$25 million ni ko chichi. Ebi ko bon na. Sai scan ni. Jam.
What happened?
Me na ko for.
Five.
After say because
on my man a war as so was catch US for. Command the World Cup.
China for the Japan for
China from command the World Cup. Since gani na bobo. What test the place no masa. You people know, more journalists, the same journalists, more trans, more young from Namakanasi, I can of French, Kato, Kirby, the penny for, and I say, Nanam Danko, more kind of French, Scana manufacture Mustafa Yusuf. They should do some 50 years now. China for 50 years now. A time is coming, China don't conquer the whole world. It's that kind of time. It's over for answer. As a sort of some committee, what's a committee now? This guy, oh yes, can be a committee. I don't know. You have to ban, people ban you. Can't you get a World Cup? Committee. Can't you qualify? You have to go. It's a max. Oh, no, I was over you. My Bobona, my yes, I know what you mean. Yes, what you do responsibility. What you move on was. How I got that. Did I go? Was I over to your mother? A whole country like Ghana, you come to no more championship. Swansea is not, but it's not a disgrace. In which way is a disgrace? Swansea is a disgrace. World ranking. Countries world ranking football 50. Ghana, you're just 49. 1 to 50. Country Ghana, or captain, a body division, a world championship. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Division. Oh, nation, all the for example. Only the day you more than about how was the problem what the Philip Crowns or what is it was for 2 months already. I'm doing the day you more than fantastic capitals. I'm not here fantastic TV. And me afraid you. Yo, yes, Papa Ghana. I was there. You see, sometimes I'm afraid that you are. He is our main captain. See, you can't tell me to change. What's that? So what I say? Yes, it's yes, in Canada. Yeah, cannot pray. Oh, the day you more than if you want my black stars and do baby. More make you see a baby. Ninya Beba Jordan, Yoko baby. Thomas, I can take up the Yoko baby. Then I'm to say, listen to me to the suffering. It's in a place of blast. Okay, you will there you Jordan, Thomas, I can stay party. Thomas party. Correct. Wakasu. Emmanuel Watson. Oh, I'm the man. What did I say? As a one who go to Daniel to walk up Norway. To the 24 Norway. I feel like to know another blasters in your player. It's a blaster team now, senior players who F4, Wakasu, Jordan, Thomas, 4. How can you go to me without the cap? In 2%. Yes, I'm telling you, no, was yes, such a disgrace. Mohamed Salah, Sani, was furious. So yes. Because you are attacking us really for another experience. Now you experience. Now you experience. Now the over championship, Red Bull Sabe, Stoke City.
one say Ghana Premier League 26 no so eba so a na because the table is so shit. The Continental Crown Masters never say them to the bones of free rotting. We say the champion here because for the first time, the last time I'm happy in 2016, way back 5 years ago, near House of Hope, it take the top spot. Shadio 6 years new. Let me say, Kotokoso Dormasi the second, they were 56.56. Only 2 goals difference. Now this season, I got a meaning. Share matches aka new House of Hope remaining matches aka has better if you not to inside the Fred Bekum Chelsea. Has remaining matches na we know. Olympics bet na fi ato inside the Fred Accra House of Hope. Na House of Hope atena fi ato inside Fred Mediema. Na Lagos City atena fi ato inside the Fred House of Hope. Na House of Hope ato inside the Fred Super Crash. Probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mediema. Into a four man abusian but ato inside the Fred House of Hope. Na House ato inside the Fred Liberty. Has last day. I bet the Cressa has to be the winner of the ongoing Ghana Premier League West African Football Academy. Also, that copy. Probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This weekend, probably Kumasi Asante going to Doma against Adiana Stars. Kotoko bet to the side of Ashanti Gold. International Ally bet to the side of probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the side of Kala United. Na House of Folk at the side of probably Kumasi Asante. Na Kotoko at the side of Kumasi Days Kingfisher. Bechem United against Kobe Kumasi Asante and Kotoko last game against Emina Sharks.
For that one, it will be where Kotoko matches now Akana. You could see say team of Kotoko be fan Fala Umaye Alaji Guza and the voice.
Would you say Kingfisher during that era of relegation or that Penisi Kotoko Melino Balito Beshan Kwana?
Oh, we wouldn't say Omaka Matches is your money. We know that Oman relegation, your mom said, Oman, and Omoko, and the home. But we hear a class of book, we hear teams now can I name the Bona. We need to say the likes of Mediama,
Gamashi, Gamashi, forget it, Gamashi say, baby. They go to say, Liberty to see a fella. You're going to let Mediama. Aye, any asate Kotoko, any Bekum Chelsea, and I feel she sunny waffle, and a baby amay. What does it?
And media, as a map, and
top things in one of us, young movie.
Ghana Premier League.
And got 3 matches.
Wow. I just want you have predicted. So let's start from this. Who be the winner of ongoing Ghana Premier 2021 Kotoko? Kotoko will be the winner at the end of the season. Also ongoing 2020-2021 season, who will be the winner?
We won't say House
of Hope will win. Criteria be the House of Hope will be the winner.
Oh, here your matches now I cannot compare to Asante Kotoko matches or Papa Shia Diana Beshan. Or Sako Shia Ashanti Good. Ashanti Good Beshan simple cry. After the Sasu Papa Shia in Dallas, Massa. In Dallas, Massa, you. And said I was saying, I was Sako boy a friend saying. Karela, or say you are savage, how mighty as a book. Which how much money? Kumasi,
who visit points.
Matis Naka, Pity, Biana, Ebesia, Ashanti Good, a day by Dallas, Protocol. Some matches, why are
so Katie answered more double points than move higher.
Become just
Kotoko, anybody living in Chelsea, matches Naka, Kotoko, lose them.
Oh, okay.
A draw. But House of Folk will lose.
Okay. To visit House of
Folk no Olympics.
Fantastic. Gamashi Derby.
Yes. Olympics best action.
Wow.
Grassina
Waku best action in
Olympics best action. Now Obakumashi so Kotoko Beshan. That's
we don't know about crowd.
Yeah, but Kotoko Beshan, no draw point.
Wow.
It's league in it, you're only in
Marina Balitoni, and a summer body. It's a summer body, almost some friend, coach,
Pep
Guardiola Iceland. It's a movement Pep Guardiola.
Where senior most coach.
I had an experience in the camp.
Oh, Massa. Wow,
you know, sir. Brony was experience Jay Binino. What did I say? Yeah,
the players, man. They talk about such a coach. Forget experience, only experience, good experience. Because we are coach here. Ever since our best, ya mo be coach ya le na
ya hwe ba bi subscribe
ya mene e be adamu fi share ya be go into details say reason behind it ya there na ojina so as house will be the winner ebia 11 years near house of NJ trophy bia no emma no supporters nti na ojina so aka sa dia and also no the last time I called up Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye 2013-2014 omutimi NG biwa the last time so omoji kam ma support ye 2017 MTN FA Cup after say ewo Tamale Sports Stadium I friend say Aliu Mama Sports no say couple miensa emma house of team back no meaning well your part no dey na better channel for me Fantastic TV because you na e
mechia I from here Fantastic TV na so oko YouTuber subscribe no share say be unua so na so be nya bi ahwe no leave comment ni wa be ya making kind say be chichim say do try on pepepe e dey amount
so Tom say ya launch some specific program celebrity sports show celebrity sports show and dey transfer any celebrities na ba better so asabi a bia ni afa ne bia sa afa na be hu twam asabi obesa DJ Donku obesa peche ye media zo adogo chia mu yankwe
mecha
ka so mu subscribe ni say na say ye tu kwan kakra ba ye
na say no mo fa che o mo abe hu say na say no ye ndanye programs and we to say ya ye shikakra asu ejuma semya de ya ye shikakra na ne ya have problems with ya pay no na go say ya have problems but see ya sa bounce back it means bibia e ko so yi mesro ma say o mo share na me hia ye pa because without some share no yanko to mu musu share no subscribe me sro on ko he video na o mo share no ama what ko he video no pa be tutu me say share me dey and I won't subscribe
ama like no was no trip
yes obi wa he video ni keke me sro mo subscribe na mo share o share ya ni be hu dey be ko
share ni share wifi ni nkwe say sinama o person share wifi o he massage dey cross o top Fantastic TV ni we fi so be share wifi massage
o go fi akosu because we are on che
some do so and
we are on che o go fi akosu which is very bad into one year no na one year ya we fine
mo dem mo ye program kana mo fefe unje obia
sha next time ma share
o kuma si hwe o ni so attest message there
o share me ba o ni say my business ni
I don't go so unje obia na